So one of the things that I always am reminded of is that when I get out and I get into my body and I move around, I go for hikes, I feel better. I just feel better. Doesn't matter really how much I've slept or if I feel particularly good when I start, but moving the blood around, moving the oxygen around, just getting out and feeling my muscles, I always just feel better. And so that encourages me to do more. It's kind of counterintuitive. I think a lot of times we think, oh, I don't have the energy for that. I'm just going to lay here on the couch. And look, sometimes it's appropriate. Sometimes we need a rest, right? Sometimes we need to take a break, a mental break, a physical break, an emotional break. But when it comes to physicality, getting out, moving, feeling our body can actually improve our mental, emotional, and physical state. So that's what I'm always, always reminded. Every time I go out and do something, even a short hike, doesn't have to be an all-day, strenuous, extreme event. Just a short hike makes me feel better.